In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a selection field in Odoo. To get started, open your Odoo website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to the page that shows the available Odoo applications. This is where you can access the tools and modules needed to customize your system. From there, scroll down until you find the Customization section. In that area, click on Studio. Odoo Studio is the built-in customization tool that allows you to modify forms and add fields without needing to write code, which makes it especially useful for quick business-specific changes. After Studio opens, navigate to the form view where you want to add the selection field. Make sure you are in the correct form, since the field will be added directly to that layout. Once you're in the right place, look at the Studio panel and click the Add tab. Under New Fields, find the selection field type, then drag it to the location where you want it to appear in the form. A selection field is used when you want users to pick one value from a predefined list of options. This is ideal for fields where consistency matters, such as levels, statuses, or categories. Next, open the field's properties and enter the label you want users to see. For example, you can name it Priority Level. Choose a label that is clear and easy to understand, since this is what users will interact with on the form. After that, click Edit Values in the field properties. This is where you define the selectable options for the field. Enter the values you want users to choose from. For example, you can add low, medium, and high. Keep your options simple and meaningful so the field is easy to use. Now go to the widget setting and choose Selection. This displays the values as a standard selection field. Odoo also offers other widget styles for selection fields, including badge, badges, radio, and status bar. Those can change how the field looks. But for a classic drop-down style behavior, selection is the right choice. Once everything looks good, click Close in the upper right corner of Studio. Odoo automatically saves the new Studio field when it is added to the view, so you don't need to worry about a separate save step here. Finally, test the field by opening a record in the customized form. Click the New Priority Level field and select one of the values you created. This confirms that the field is working properly and is ready for use. Your selection field is now created and available in the Odoo form. Thanks for watching.